I'm Pokutny Alexander Alexeyevich, leading researcher of the Department of Differential Equations and Oscillation Theory of the Institute of Mathematics of the National Academy of Sciences of Ukraine, Doctor of Physical and Mathematical Sciences, lecturer at Kyiv School of Economics, graduated from the Taras Shevchenko Kyiv National University, Faculty of Mechanics and Mathematics, and Faculty of Cybernetics and Computer Science. The topic of my research is normally solvable boundary value problems for operator differential equations. In general, I am engaged in mathematics. Mathematics is what the mind puts in order, and it is what people use to control nature and themselves. Cybernetics is a science of control. One of the goals is to create a tool to see how nonlinear our world is. This is related to a well-known problem that Prigozhin posed. One of the well-known problems of physics is to create a microscope to see our world much closer. He said that the Schrödinger equation and quantum mechanics are a little outdated. We need to take into account the measurement error, and for this we need to perturb the corresponding system and investigate it. Now there are competitions in the world. 7 machines are asked questions and find those that they cannot answer. The more such questions, the better. A very popular area now is machine learning and control theory. Scientists are dealing with the so-called connected systems of neural networks, interconnected systems. That is, systems of multidimensional equations. If a parameter in the system is set to 0, then the connections disappear and each neuron lives a separate life. When the parameter is non-zero, then we see the connections and can influence how such a network will develop using the control parameters. The dream is to find what I am looking for in this way. People try to solve one of the millennium problems, P is equal in P, with such a system, a Hopfield network. Since the second grade, I dreamed of becoming a professor. In the fifth grade, I first went to the Mathematics Olympiad and, having taken place there, decided to continue studying mathematics. When I entered high school, I had to solve 50 problems every day. That's how I realized that if you want to be ahead in some direction, you need to do a lot of sports and always be in shape. In general, mathematics, like meditation and science, is the same. When a person is engaged in the favorite things, they don't see what's around them at all and can completely disconnect from the external environment. Since the time of Solomon, it has been known that knowledge is more expensive than any coral. Now there are constant competitions with computers and artificial intelligence, but a person will always have to prove that science and the brain are much better. Moreover, it is known that the human brain is almost unsolved, and therefore young people should be interested in it. We need to pay attention to the future that a revolution in artificial intelligence may occur and preserve the knowledge that previous generations left us. Thank you for attention.